Hey everyone, hope everyone's staying safe and sane during lockdown and everyone's healthy and well. I just wanted to put a quick video together today to discuss link buying and link manipulation. It's clearly hot on social media at the minute with SEMrush taking quite a lot of flack on Twitter especially. It's harsh out there. I just wanted to really talk about our position on it and why we take that position for link buy-in and kind of some of my history because I've been in SEO since 2006, so I've been involved in all kinds of link building tactics and ways of going about delivering rankings over the years. So I guess the first thing to say is we do not buy links. We don't engage in link building tactics that are manipulative. We strictly don't do it, and I'll talk a bit about why in a minute. I guess something to make clear right from the start is there is no judgment on those that do. I'm not kind of holding myself or the agency up on a pedestal. Many agencies still engage in these tactics. What I would say is the risks are very real. We've seen manual penalties handed out even this year, not as much as they were quite a few years back, but we're still seeing them handed out and link penalties still being handed out. So the risks are very real. However, if the business, the client is aware of these risks, if they're aware of the tactics that the agency, if the agency are doing it, are taking to get the rankings and deliver the results, and they've signed that off and are good with it and willing to accept it, absolutely fine. Go for it. I think a lot of agencies will still use link buy-in and manipulated links, either because they don't have the team or the talent in-house to deliver the more creative stuff, the content marketing, the digital PR, or it could be just a case that actually it's a huge profitable side of the agency business. It's much easier to tap an email out to a link broker than it is to come up with an idea and deliver a content marketing piece. I think that's what the reason why most agencies are doing it. However, there is a risk, but if the client's aware of the risk, happy, signed it off, that is completely up to them. So in terms of my background and my experience, there's a couple of reasons why we take a very strong stance on not doing it. I've been in SEO since 2006. I was involved in all the penalties in 2012, 2013 that kicked off around manual link penalties, penguin penalties, and I saw the utter devastation that it brought up on many businesses. I was involved in probably one of the most publicly known link penalties at that particular time, which I still can't talk about, and it was unreal. So I've never been involved in any of those tactics, done any kind of link buying since 2012 because of what happened during that time. It literally took some businesses years and years to recover what they had leading up to this clampdown. So not interested. It's too risky as far as I'm concerned, and as far as our clients are concerned, and we will not engage in it. Second reason why we don't engage in it is because there are some great digital PR campaigns, content marketing campaigns, some brilliant people, brilliant agencies out there that can now deliver not only the quality links that you get from that kind of activity, but deliver it in quantity as well. So they can go out there and deliver these campaigns, and it isn't just a handful of links anymore. They can seriously deliver results. So why would we engage in taking that risk and buying those links or doing whatever it is we're doing when we can actually deliver the same results through more creative, safer, more natural marketing means? Why would we do that? And the third reason we don't engage in it, and I did a blog post about 2 or 3 months ago, I'm losing track of time now due to lockdown, about link buying and does it still work. And what we've seen is that poor links, usually paid articles or articles across multiple sites, a tactic that agencies like to use is to write unique content, add in their client's link, pay for the article to be published and placed. They normally add in a few other links to legitimate businesses, The Guardian thrown in there, Amazon thrown in there, to make it look like they're hiding it, which is just insane. But what we found is these type of links are on sites that just do not stand the test of time and will eventually drop out of the index or be just completely gutted completely. And you lose that link. So bad links. When I say bad links, I mean poor links, bought links, article spun links, whatever it is you want to do or manipulate or call them. When we're talking about those links, they have a very limited lifespan. And 1, 2, 3, 4 months down the line, those links start to drop off and your rankings and visibility start to drop with them. And often we see competitors of our clients that are doing this, and their visibility will be up and down, up and down. And it's because they're having to rebuy these links all the time, and they're just not standing the test of time and creating more of a linear growth in their SEO channel. We've also seen, as we've started to pull link profiles apart, often an agency will sit down with a client and say, right, okay, your competitor has 1,000 links, you've got 100 links, you need 900 links to catch up with them, here we go, pay us for some link building, and they go ahead and do it. Utter nonsense. What we've found actually is it's not the quantity of links, but the quality of the links that you've got in your profile. And I know that domain authority and domain ratings are all metrics designed to mimic Google and are essentially made up. So you can only put so much weight on them. However, we have found a correlation between high domain authority, high domain rating links, and better rankings. So you might have a link profile with 100 linking domains, and all of them are that high quality domain authority. You may be up against a competitor with 1,000 that has 50 high quality, and you still outrank them. And the correlation there is very real, and we've done it across multiple industries. And when we speak with clients, that's how we speak to them. We don't say you need to increase the number of your links. We say you need to increase the number of your quality links, and we show them the data behind it. It is correlation. We're all guessing in SEO. That's how it's always been. But our best guess is you need those quality links, and digital PR and content marketing deliver them and deliver them in quantity now. So that can be done. So that is our stance on paid links and manipulative links. We just don't do it. I guess 2012, 2013 personally frightened me beyond belief, so I wouldn't engage in it again anyway. However, it still happens, it still works, so we're still seeing it delivering some results for some of our clients' competitors, but I do believe it's a short-lived way of delivering results that benefits agencies more than it does the businesses that they're building them for. That's my opinion. Controversial maybe, I don't know. Love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Any case studies, experiences, please just drop them down there. Thanks very much. See you later, guys.